How to easily change your LinkedIn premium business subscription to Sales Navigator. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm doing this video specifically for people who are into LinkedIn rented business, particularly those who have subscribed to premium business subscription on LinkedIn for the particular manager who needed it. But currently now they are working with another manager who says no, they don't want a premium business subscription, they want Sales Navigator. And these people wants to subscribe to Sales Navigator, and then it's not working. They say this other one has to expire and they have to take 30 days to expire. And they don't know how to switch it or change it to Sales Navigator. If you're in that category, if you're having that kind of problem, this video is exactly what you need. And I want you to also know that I am doing this video series to help those who are into LinkedIn rented business at the moment, facing a lot of challenges. And I have done some videos, okay? I have done videos on how to cancel your LinkedIn premium. That is, after you have subscribed, you need to cancel it before you rent it out so that they will not be deducting your money at the end of the month. So I have also done a video on how to subscribe to Sales Navigator. And then and I'm ready to do more videos based on demand. So if you're still having any other problem apart from these 3 videos on this series, ask the question in the comment section, and I'm going to also do a video for you tomorrow. So I do these videos based on the problem that people are facing in their LinkedIn. So having said that, I want you to remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on notification bell icon, because I do video on demand on this channel, a video that solves the particular problem that you are having. And when I do it, post it there, any other person who have similar issues can find it and also find solution to their problem. Having said that, let's go into the video. Alright, so this is the message that inspired this particular video. Good afternoon, sir. Please, my account was already on premium since 10th January, but it's not on Sales Navigator feature. Can I change the premium feature to Sales Navigator? Secondly, can I start renting it out? It expired 9 January. Thank you. So this is a response to this particular person and a response to whoever anywhere in the world that is facing this same challenge. And I'm telling you also that if you have a challenge and you want me to make a video, you drop it at the comment section of this video. The comment section of this video, and I'm going to make that video for you, okay? So this is my promise to this person. Say I had this issue, I will do a video tomorrow to show you how I was able to terminate the premium subscription and be able to subscribe to Sales Navigator without waiting for it to expire. Some of you will want to subscribe to Sales Navigator when you are already subscribed to Business Premium, and you get message like this: your subscription ends on so date. After this date, you can purchase a different plan, and you can't wait for that period because they will tell you, sorry, this option is not available. I am going to show you how to crack it in this video. Keep watching. So this is a proof that I have actually solved my own problem before I come to solve your own. Hi John, by your request, I have cancelled your premium business subscription with immediate effect. You should now be able to sign up for Sales Navigator at your earliest free moment. Have a great week ahead. Best wishes. Alright? LSS Support Consultant 2, Nema. Right? So I want you to get this same message, and immediately you get this same message, that means that this video has helped you. So if you are enjoying this video so far and you can't wait for me to guide you on how to solve this problem, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment for me in the comment section. Tell me where you are watching from, and I'll be very happy to see your comment. So it is very easy to change your business premium to Sales Navigator if you contact support. Now, if you look at this, you notice that I am currently in my inbox, in my email. And if you look at this place very well, you will notice that on January 19th, I contacted support and I told them what I want. Look at the message I sent to them. Everything happened on that January 19th. It's not 24 hours, something happens the same day. So I contacted support and I said the request to cancel my current subscription. And I said, I have a premium subscription that is yet to expire, but I currently need Sales Navigator. Kindly help me cancel, expire, or terminate my subscription to enable me to subscribe to Sales Navigator, which is what I need right now, without waiting for my premium subscription to expire. Thank you so much for your understanding. And they responded to me immediately. They said, thank you for taking your time to contact us. We are sorry for the inconveniences. All right. You have experience with Sales Navigator account. Now, we've forwarded your inquiry to Sales Solution team to assist, for assistance, and they will be in contact with you as regarding your inquiry. So I have gone through the process of this and I have discovered that everything is so easy and so simple. As you can see, 19, this one is 19, this one is 19, this one is 19, this one is 19. But you are not going to go all these processes because I have a shortcut to it. So what is the shortcut to all this? The shortcut is you just come to your inbox and then write compose. When you click compose, you come here and you send message to this email. This is lss support at linkedin.com. If you send a message there like this and you type something like this, request, okay, to change my premium subscription, okay, premium subscription. Then you come to the body of letter and then you're going to copy this message and edit it to your text and send to them. I'm currently subscribed to premium plan. While I'm currently in need of Sales Navigator subscription, I want you to help me expire, cancel, or terminate the subscription before it expires. Just do it like this. That's all. You send it. I'm not going to send it because I don't need it right now. But this is going to solve your problem, and I can guarantee you that immediately we send this message, you're going to get automatic message telling you that they are going to attend to you, and within a space of 3 hours, it will not reach 3 hours. My own did not even reach 3 hours. It also depends on the time you send the message. It doesn't matter. Just send the message and then you will see the magic will happen, right? And as you are doing that, probably provide them with your LinkedIn account. Probably use the email address of your LinkedIn to send them this message, and I can guarantee you that your problem will be solved in no distant time. And then immediately it's solved, you're going to get a message. Let me show you a message that you're going to get. You're going to get a message like this. Yeah. You're going to get a message like this. Hi, John. By your request, I have cancelled your premium business subscription with immediate effect. You should now be able to sign up for Sales Navigator at your earliest free moment. And once this is done, I go back and you will be able to subscribe. And if you don't know how to subscribe, watch this video to know how to subscribe to Sales Navigator. All right, this video is going to help you. This video is on the channel, so find it out and then watch it. And then if you are watching this video and you want to do LinkedIn rentage business, that means you have a LinkedIn and you want to rent it out, find my WhatsApp number on the about page of this account of this YouTube. You could go to about or description of the video, you find my number, reach out to me on WhatsApp, and I'm going to add you to my group, and I'm going to help you to rent out your account for weekly payments. Okay, this is not what this video is all about, but in case you have that question to answer, that's the answer to that the question to ask, that's the answer to that question. Reach out to me and I'm going to help you, because this video series is videos I'm making to help those who are into LinkedIn rentage business. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell icon so you'll be notified when next I upload another video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.